So hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you one of the best places to stay in Moalboal, and also centrally located, so you can check out the beach and all kinds of restaurants and bars and other stuff. Stick around. Okay guys, so the place that I like here in Moalboal is called Holiday Cottage. There's the contact information, you can see it here. There are 4 cottages here. See the sign, Holiday Cottage. Now each cottage is designed a little bit differently. I'm going to go ahead and show you my condo, or my cottage. But great sitting area right on the main drag here, and I will take you for a walk showing you what is nearby in just a second here. So it's got a functioning kitchen with a little stove top and rice cooker, water dispenser, table. I'm using mine as a storage area right now, a little sitting area, and TV. Though if you're in Moalboal, I hope you're not sitting around watching TV all day. Little fridge, the bedroom with aircon, nice full-size bed, and a separate CR or bathroom with hot water. Toilet and sink. So just a quick little tour of the cottage. Again, there's 4 cottages here. You can contact them on Airbnb and at the phone number and the email that you saw at the beginning of the video. I'll post it in the description. But when you come out here, it is a great place to stay. And I will show you just how close everything is to...
This is the main...
Oh. Yeah, so I just met up with Paul here. And we're going to head down to the beach.
This used to be the main drag.
This used to be the main drag, yeah.
It's the only place I was before. Now they built up over there.
Yeah, they built up everywhere.
All the good restaurants and coffee shops are on the road. They used to be here. Everything used to be here.
Right.
Oh my God, it's Saturday, like 12:30. This place was popping and moving pre-pandemic.
Yeah, it really was.
How empty it is now. One of my favorite restaurants is closed, boarded up.
Yeah. A lot of places. All these places, I honestly, I don't know how they're staying in business. There's just no customers.
And the other thing is that they haven't really reduced their prices that much.
No.
You know, you ask for the price, they give you pre-pandemic price.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's almost better to book it online because then they really have to compete against each other, maybe.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
This is a very popular bar with the monkeys.
Yeah.
When you're hungry.
Hungry monkeys.
Hungry monkeys come here.
And nobody really there, a couple people. And all these places just empty. Here's a French coffee shop. We should come out here and try this.
Actually, this is not bad to people.
Yeah. But yeah, all these dive centers, and there's just nobody's.
You go and ask the price.
Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm going to sell you my product. May I please?
Oh, I'm late. I'm getting ready to meet somebody, but maybe later, okay? Thank you. That happens once in a while. There's more.
These are really nice. These
little.
waterfronts here.
Oh yeah.
Actually, the cheapest one you can get now for, I think, 1,500 pesos, $30 a night.
30 bucks a night for right on the water. You walk right down.
$30, $40.
Yeah.
But again, if you book it online, it's probably cheaper.
Probably.
It's completely empty, so you could probably negotiate it.
Yeah. So.
This used to be my favorite place right here.
Right here, yeah. It's a good spot. Chili Bar is very famous.
Chili bar still staying alive.
Chili, yeah.
Really great pancakes.
Because they got billiards and stuff, and so a lot of people come out here.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Great coffee and pancakes.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, pataka mo naman to.
Here's like the little back alleyway to sell souvenirs and fruit and vegetables, drinks, renting out. Hello. Hello. Renting out gear. Hey. Yeah, we just did some snorkeling this morning and it was fantastic. Drove the bike all the way down here. Yeah. We'll see who we know down here. Sometimes we get some friends that we know down here. Let's see. Should we take a quick walk on the beach, see who's... Great beach. I mean, the beach is okay. It's the snorkeling that's fantastic here. You know? Sana all. I was looking for Moshi, but I didn't see Moshi down here.
Huh?
I was looking for Moshi, but I didn't see him down here. He said he was hanging out at the water at the beach.
Was he up there when you were yesterday?
Yeah, you want to go a little further? Wait. Yeah, the snorkeling's fantastic here though. We saw a sea turtle this morning, schools of sardines.
Paul's GoPro, correct that.
Paul's GoPro finally crapped out completely. Well, it looks like the case opened up and underwater. Yeah. Well, it seems like you're having problems with that case
I've been
anyway.
having problems for almost a month.
Yeah, it was on its last legs. Yep.
Another expensive YouTube.
Oh yeah.
What I do for my subscribers?
Guapa ka? They were all very beautiful. Yeah, it is. I like it. Like all these places where these boats are where people go, they take people out and they go snorkeling on them.
Oh, used to maybe.
Maybe. Used to. There's nobody there now, but yeah.
I mean, they used to go shuttle traffic out to that island there.
Yeah.
I can't remember the name of it. Piscadora something?
Piscadora. Yeah. So I don't think Moshi's out here, but that was up there. Yeah. Go back or keep going? Yeah, keep going. Yeah. I love these boats. Oh. It would be, yeah. That girl's... Yeah, this really is one of the best places in the Philippines for snorkeling. You just walk right out and you're in beautiful coral, teeming with sea life. The sardines, sea turtles.
You see the pupfish?
Yeah.
You can get it for pup.
Poke it. Huh? Yeah, I hate seeing plastic. It's the sad reality. All over the world, unfortunately, but more so here. They do seem to be becoming more aware of it. I see more don't litter signs and things like that, but...
You know, if they really want to get a hold of it, they need school children to start going on the beach and picking up that stuff.
They do.
So they kind of get an understanding that trash doesn't disappear by itself, it actually goes somewhere.
I think we're going to probably hit a dead end here. That wall. I mean, you could walk around it, but maybe we'll go back. So.
Filipinos out having fun. Kids.
Yep. Going out, I think, right? Model. To show you real quick here, this boat out here, this is where a lot of people go and they go snorkeling. And of course you got these beauty queens out here. And you got Pescador Island out there.
Let's take it real soon.